Good morning dear friends. I Professor Ashana Kavani from GS College Commerce Wardha and I am going to teach you the DBMS subject. The topic of today's topic from DBMS subject is component of database management system. In previous lecture I covered the topic that is I covered the topic advantages of DBMS system and little bit the difference between the conventional file processing system and database management system. Today's topic is component of database management system. So basically there are five components. First is database dictionary or database directories. Second one is application developer. Third one is user groups, database administrator and database management system utilities. So how they are connected, the components of database management system, how they are connected, this diagram will show. Okay. So first, database management system utilities. What is database management system utilities? Basically the Sybase or Oracle or any software which is used to manage the database. Then what is management of the database? Database management is nothing but the deletions of some record from the database or update some records from the database or enter or insert some records in the database. Those are nothing but the management of that particular database. So for that we have to use some utilities. Some utilities means some software for managing those data into database. I already told you what is the meaning of the database. Database, it is nothing but the collection of number of files. Okay, collection of number of files means number of tables. So particular managing the data of that particular database or table, we have to use the database utilities, and those database utilities, it is nothing but the Sybase, Oracle or IBM. Those are nothing but the utilities. Okay, so basically those utilities provide us the languages or provide us some procedure languages. By using those language, we maintain or manage the data of the database. Okay. Second one is database, data dictionary or data dictionary or data directories. What is meant by data dictionary or data directory? When we learn about the database concept, there are three types of terminology of database concept, that is nothing but the data, information and metadata. So basically the metadata is covered by this database dictionary. How? When I told about the database, it is nothing but the collection of various files. So basically we have to maintain the data of that particular file, like a book. When we insert some chapters and collect some chapters in our book, then we maintain the index for searching a particular thing from the book. Likewise, we have to maintain some table which found or which tell us data about the data, and that particular thing, it is nothing but the database dictionary. So we have to maintain the database dictionary which is maintain the data of the data. Data of the data means, suppose I have number of tables. Number of tables means 50 tables in my database. Okay, so among that 50 tables, which table is used for the product or which table is created for the raw material? How I can know? So that particular thing maintained by data dictionary or data directories, like names of files, number of files, or we can say the particular attribute number of files, primary key, secondary key. Those relation or those particular things are maintained by data dictionary or data directory. So database directory is nothing but the data which shows the data about the data. It is also called as metadata. Okay. So this is the second component. Third one is application developer. I already told you when I covered the topic conventional file processing system and database management system. So there are, in database management system there are two groups. First, database management or database administrator, and second group is application developer. So the basic part, when we design the database management system, the work of that particular thing is divided into two groups, application developer and second one is database administrator. So basically those application developer are nothing but the people, or we can say the expert people, expertise people or well qualified people which are going to develop the application for our database. So this is nothing but application developer are the group of people, expert people which are going to create the application for our database system. Okay. Then database administrator. Database administrator, it is nothing but the group of, again, the people who are deal with the database management. Database management means when they have to rights, this particular people have the rights to delete or update the database from the database management system. So basically those people are going to create the particular program for database. Exactly, those are deal with the creating the database also. Means those people, the group of these people, group of these expert people, those are used to or those are create the databases for the system. So they decide the field name, attribute name, they decide the entity relationships, they decide the database, data type, they decide the how the data will transfer from one table to another table. So those people are create the database as well as the relationship between the database. So basically the work which is belong or which is deals with the creation of database and maintain the database and relation the database, those all things are covered by database administrator. And user, those things which are gives the directly result or reports, those things are deals with the application developer. So those are nothing but, this is nothing but the group of people, expert people which are deals with their own programming. So basically they are related with the program and they are creating some program for our system. Third one means user group. This is nothing but, user groups means the end user people. Like we are going to develop our system or we are going to design our system. After that some people are going to use those particular system. So basically user groups are nothing but the end user people who are used our system. So by using database management utilities, the first component of database management system, this is nothing but the particular thing or languages which are used to create our database or manage our database. Database dictionary or directories are nothing but the data about the data. It is also called as metadata. Basically this is used to extract the data from the database for the metadata or by the metadata. Then application developer, it is nothing but the expertise group of the people which is used which are going to create the application for our database which is used for the end user. And database administrator are database administrator is nothing but the particular people group or expertise group which is deals with the design in the database and maintain the database. User group, it is nothing but the end user which are use our application at the end. So basically, according to that or according to those user group, we have to design our system. So those are nothing but the components of database. Particular by using those component or by using or by keeping this particular components in a mind, we create the efficiently and effectively database for our application. Our next topic is economic justification. Economic justification of database approach. Why I covered this topic with this particular component? Because this is nothing but the economic justification of database approach. Basically, we are going to create our database management system for our organization. So we have to justify this particular database system or this particular information system is really useful for our system or not, or we can say how much money we have to invest that particular things. So because we use the application developer here, we use the database administrator, and means we use the lots of people behind the designing our system. So basically we have to manage or we have to justify our system is economically justified or not. How we can justify it? So basically, with keeping the components of database management system in our mind, we just develop our system. After that, the cost for developing the system, or we are going to say the how many financial particular मीन्स जितने पैसे उसे लगने वाले हैं बनाने के लिए, जो कॉस्ट लगने वाली है इस पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम को बनाने के लिए, वो सिस्टम और उसके बेनिफिट्स. ओके, द कॉस्ट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम एंड बेनिफिट्स ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम वी हैव टू मैनेज इट, एंड दोज आर proportional to each other. If the cost is high and benefits is low, the system is not justified. Economically, the system is not justified. If the cost is low and the benefits is high, then this system is economically justified. So basically, when we design our system by using component of database management system, by keeping the approach of that particular things, then we have to manage the system is economically justified or not. So basically, for justification, we have to manage the cost and the benefits. If the cost is low and benefits is high, then our system is economically justified. So after ending this topic, our first part of first unit is over. Okay, so the next topic is database concept. So basically, database concept I will teach you in my next lecture. So keep watching, be safe. Thank you.